What's her name?
Layla. Damn, that was good. That was clean.
What's her name?
Eat. Damn, bro.
What's her name?
Nina. They liked it, you know.
Lita beat a boat,
What's her name?
Bro, okay, that was tough.
What's her name?
Paula. You're doing a great job.
What's her name?
Reese. That's my man.
What's her name?
Okay, that was cool.